once again, dear viewers. You're watching ERi-TV. Welcome to our news broadcast. In our domestic news, Ambassador Mohammed Saeed Mantai held a meeting on 28 September with residents of the Wadi administrative area in southern Dankalia, focusing on the implementation of development programs. Ambassador Mohammed Saeed highlighted plans for extensive development initiatives, particularly in water and soil conservation, and called for increased community participation in these efforts, noting that enabling the public to benefit from social services is a priority. Ambassador Mohammed Saeed stated that the expansion and construction of new social service institutions are part of future plans. He also emphasized the importance of regrouping villages to improve service provision. The participants expressed their readiness to contribute to the successful implementation of the development programs. A seminar on ensuring children's rights and eliminating harmful practices was held in the Haikota subzone on 23 and 24 September. The seminar was organized by the National Union of Eritrean Women in Gash Barka region. Ms. Yahdega Yohannes, head of the union's branch in the region, emphasized that protecting women's rights is a national priority, addressed through strong organizational efforts. She explained that community-based activities are being conducted to eradicate female genital mutilation, FGM, and underage marriages, which have not yet been completely eliminated. Nurse Abdurrahman Ismail from the Haikota Health Center gave an extensive briefing on women's health. Niem explained that harmful practices affecting women's health have long-term socio-economic consequences for families, and called on the public and government institutions to take an active role in eliminating these practices. The participants expressed their commitment to contribute to these efforts and requested the continuation of such seminars. World Tourism Day was observed in Adghayeh at the southern region level under the theme Tourism and Peace. Mr. Johannes Asgadom, a representative from the Tourism Department, explained that the observance aimed to increase public understanding of the significance of tourism industry in national development and called for integrated efforts to support its development. Discussing the historical and ancient heritage in the subzone, Mr. Habte Gabriel Asfaha, chairman of Tourism Provision Institutions, expressed his readiness to raise public awareness of domestic tourism. He also called for greater participation from tourism service providers to support these efforts. Mr. Habtai Tesfazgi, the subzone administrator, urged tourism service institutions to practice modest and proper customs reception and to regularly organize training programs for workers. The event featured presentations on the historical and ancient heritage of the southern region, supported by a video show. And that was our news for tonight, dear viewers. It is good night from us.